In this tutorial, we're going to talk about setting up and customizing all emails that are sent out by Appointment Hero. And the cool thing is you have complete and total control over all of the emails that are sent out. If you have an Appointment Hero account, log in and follow along. So to customize all emails that are sent out by Appointment Hero, the first thing we want to do is go to Messaging, Email Settings. And what you see is these fields again, which basically, like, client first name is going to replace the client's first name. But for now, let's go ahead and hide that. And you see a drop down with email types. There are different types of emails here. So some of the most useful ones are appointment confirmations. These get sent as soon as a client books an appointment. And so essentially you have your subject. So this is the subject of the email. And then you also have your body. And so a lot of people would like to also include the intake form here. So if you can copy and paste this from up here. Right? Intake form. It's a good thing I did it because I wrote the wrong thing. So it is good to copy and paste. You want your intake form link. Hit save, and you'll do that after each email. Your appointment canceled emails, you want to change these. So these are just templates that are already written for you. But like I said, you can go in and you could write anything that you want. Waitlist emails, you can go in and write anything that you want. So the same for all. If you request an email like that, so if they request an appointment, this is yet another email that you may send out. And so as simple as that. Once you're done writing the email, changing the text, making it say what you want, just go ahead and hit save, and you're all done.